Today we will be looking at how to set the stop motor action to brake. This will provide us alternative ways to stop our robot. Let's start by opening Spike Prime software and clicking Prime. Create a new project by clicking the New Project. We will name the project Stop. Type in Stop and click Python. Click Create. Minimize the knowledge base. This is the default project that is provided. We will need to make some changes. Let's start by highlighting line 7 and deleting it. We will now begin creating our project. We first need to initialize our motors. This simply means we are going to identify what objects we will be using and what ports it will be plugged into. Add the following to line 6. Motor_pair equals motor pair, CD. We are stating that we will be using the motor pairs and they are plugged into ports C and D. On line 7 we will set the stop action to brake. Copy the following motor_pair.set_stop_action, brake. At this point we have identified where our motors are plugged into as well as determined how our motors should stop. The brake action will stop the motors quickly but will still allow for the motors to turn freely. Let's continue to program. We will start by having our robot move straight at 50%. Type the following motor_pair. Start, steering equals 0, speed equals 50. Remember that setting the steering to 0 is the equivalent of setting the direction to straight. Next we will add a wait time of 2 seconds. To complete the program we will add a stop on line 12. This is our final product. Make sure everything is copied correctly. We have programmed our robot to run for 2 seconds at 50% power. Take note of how it stops when running the program. Connect your hub by clicking the hub icon. Find your hub and click Connect. Hit the yellow play button at the bottom to start your program. Again, pay attention to how it stops and how the motors can turn freely after it has stopped. Let's make a minor change to our project. Rather than using a brake action, we will demonstrate a hold action. Highlight the word brake and delete from line 7. We will replace the word brake with the word hold. Type the word hold. The only change made is on line 7. The hold action will actively hold their current position and cannot be turned manually. Connect your hub by clicking Connect icon. Select your hub and click Connect. Start the program by clicking the yellow play button. Take note of the stop action. You should notice after the robot has stopped the motors will not move freely. There will be resistance when trying to rotate the wheels. That's it. You're done. Try adjusting the steering and speed to create a new program. Let's make one final change. We will now look at a stop action called coast. Let's highlight hold in line 7 and delete. We will replace the word hold with coast. Type the word coast in the quotations. The coast action will stop the motors slowly while allowing the motors to turn freely after stopping. Great! Now connect your hub by clicking the hub icon. Find your hub and click Connect. Click the yellow play button to start your program. Again, take note of how the robot stops. That's it. You're done. We have covered 3 stopping actions. If the action is brake, the motors will stop quickly and be allowed to turn freely. If the action is hold, the motors will actively hold their current position and cannot be turned manually. If the action is set to coast, the motors will stop slowly and can be turned freely.